Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be sharing one of these HelloFresh meals. Alright, so if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, which I think it just posts the same places, but I've been doing HelloFresh with my wife. It's been around a while. I think one of her coworkers just kind of suggested I gave her some kind of code, so we got this great deal. Got like, I think 6 or 7 dinners and a lunch. So I've been sharing these, how they're coming out on Facebook and Instagram, but I figured if you don't follow me there, that I do a little video. We're going to try this together on camera here. So these are just basically, here's all the stuff to make food. You know what I mean? There's a lot of different reasons why you get this. For me, Christina, it's pretty much just curiosity, just to try it out. This works out to be a little less than $7, so it's like $6.90 or something a meal for what we paid. All right. So you get a card, a recipe card, tells you all the instructions on what to do. This lunch is barbecue pork and bean tacos with pineapple salsa. There's the ingredients. You get an ingredients bag, right, for everything. And then you get your protein, whatever meat you have, on the side. So this one is the pulled pork. All right, so we're going to take everything out of the bag here, take a look at this, follow the instructions, and make some tacos. I'll be back. All right, so took everything out of the bag there. We have some fresh cilantro. We have a little cup of diced pineapples and juice. We have, I think, 6 tortillas, flour tortillas, a lime. We have barbecue sauce, big old chunk of box of black beans. What is this? We have sweet and smoky barbecue seasoning. All right, a little pack of Cholula in case you're into the hot sauce. And again, you saw before, but we have our pulled pork. All right, so let's follow the simple ingredients. Well, first let me just check. Black beans, barbecue sauce, pineapple, lime. And by the way, these amounts, they'll show like double if you want to double the recipe, but you have to pay extra for those double ingredients. So we're always going to use the smaller portion there. So this takes 10 minutes. And all 6 tacos should be 710 calories, or maybe that's for 1 serving. That might be for 1 serving. There's 2 servings here. All right, I mean, it's really straightforward. So bust out a strainer, a large bowl, plastic wrap, paper towel, small bowl, kosher salt, black pepper. Okay, we'll see. You don't always need, I mean, obviously salt and pepper, they don't include anything. Sometimes they'll suggest, like, you need oil. They won't give you the oil to cook in, stuff like that. So you kind of have to have some stuff in the house. So look at the details. It's not just like literally every single thing. They're not going to give you a frying pan to cook in, you know, if that makes sense. They're just giving you the basic ingredients to make these different dishes. All right, so instructions. Drain and rinse beans. Oh, well, here. You can pause there and look at that if you want. I'm just going to show you how this thing comes out. You don't have to watch the whole process. It's really simple. We're just slapping together some tacos. But I am curious to see how these how they taste. All right, so there it is. It's all done. Pretty straightforward. What makes this kind of unique, like if I made tacos at home, I would make white people tacos, which you know what that looks like. The normal cheese and sour cream and lettuce and tomato and that kind of thing. Or I'll make, like, you know, street tacos, like more legit, I guess, tacos with, you know, fresh cilantro, some lime juice, some pulled pork or something, and some chopped white onion. This is kind of like, it's just different because this has barbecue sauce in it and the, of course, the pineapple, but it does have cilantro and lime and everything. Anyway, that's what it's supposed to look like. That's how it came out. Looks good. It says to put on the hot sauce that you want. Not really into Cholula all that much. I'll save that packet for something else. I will put a little of the Taco Bell Chipotle sauce on it, but we gotta try it without first. All right, so here it is. Like I said, they do look good. All right, let's squeeze some fresh lime juice on these guys. All right, go ahead and give it a shot. By the way, one important note. Notice the brown on these tortillas? The instructions never said to actually cook them, that they are much better cooked. They do say to warm them in the microwave, but you should always cook your flour tortillas. Just saying. All right, so I'm gonna tuck this end in here so nothing falls out. And we're gonna go ahead and give that a bite. All right, so those actually came out really, really good. So big thumbs up, I definitely approve. The barbecue sauce is not like, I don't know. It's kind of, I suppose if you just made pulled pork and you had leftovers, you could just slap these together and now you have tacos. You definitely taste the barbecue sauce, but it's not like so prevalent to me. The pineapple cuts through, the lime It's all really good though. So yeah, let me know if you guys tried HelloFresh. If you have any specific meals that you really, really like from them, let me know in the comment section. I'll probably try this again in the future. So anyway, that's all. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.